docile. Quiet, calm, and easy to control or teach. The puppy was so docile it didn't even bark. She's a docile student who listens carefully. Molestation. Unwanted or harmful sexual contact, especially towards children. The news reported a case of child molestation. Schools need stronger rules to protect students from molestation. Remorse. A deep feeling of regret or guilt. He showed no remorse after hurting her feelings. I felt deep remorse for missing her last call. Entangle. To get caught in something or mixed up in a mess. Her hair got entangled in the necklace. He got entangled in a fight between two friends. Contempt. A strong feeling that something or someone is not worthy of respect. She looked at him with contempt after he lied. He spoke with contempt about people who cheat. Gruesome. Very shocking, scary, or disgusting, especially about violence. The horror movie had some truly gruesome scenes. The accident was so gruesome I couldn't look. Debase. To lower the value or quality of something. Don't debase yourself by lying just to impress them. The rude jokes debased the whole conversation. Renege. Someone who breaks a promise or goes back on their word. He said he'd help, but he's a renege, don't count on him. No one likes a renege in a team project. Tacit. Understood without being said out loud. There was a tacit agreement that we wouldn't speak about it. Her silence was a tacit approval. Inordinate. More than normal or reasonable, too much. He spends an inordinate amount of time on his phone. That's an inordinate price for such a simple dress. Dissent. A strong difference of opinion, usually against authority. She voiced her dissent during the meeting. In that country, dissent is often punished. Naive. Too innocent or trusting, without enough experience. She was naive to think everyone at work was honest. I was naive when I trusted that stranger online. Strangle. To choke someone by squeezing their neck. He tried to strangle me in my dream. It was terrifying. She felt like stress was strangling her happiness. Discrepancy. A clear difference between things that should match. There was a big discrepancy in the money report. I noticed a discrepancy between what he said and what he did. Awe. A strong feeling of wonder and respect. The little boy stared in awe at the tall mountains. We watched in awe as the fireworks lit up the sky. Dictum. A formal statement or wise saying. He always repeated the same old dictum, work hard, stay humble. The judge gave a final dictum before ending the trial. Alleviate. To make pain, worry, or a problem less severe. This medicine will help alleviate your headache. Talking to her really helped alleviate my stress. Cognizant. Being aware of something or knowing it well. He's very cognizant of the risks involved. Be cognizant of how your words affect others. Obsolete. No longer useful or in use, usually because of something newer. CDs are becoming obsolete with music apps around. That software is completely obsolete now. Forbid. To say that something is not allowed. My parents forbid me from going out late. The school forbids phones during class. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.